on, people? I know it's been 2 weeks I haven't uploaded, but I've been busy doing real life. So today I'm on 10 toes and I have something to show you. But before I show you, I need to say a couple of things. Firstly, thank you to everyone for the messages for me passing my bike test and becoming a full license holder. Come on. Secondly, everyone's been asking, what am I looking at, what am I going to get, and what am I going to buy, and I've been doing a lot of window shopping. I've finally got what I wanted, hence the 2-week delay. So without further ado, here she is. What you're looking at is a 2017 Gen 3 BMW S1000RR. Comes with the factory quick shifter, so clutchless shifting, amazing. Comes with the heated grips. It comes with 5 different riding modes. It doesn't come with these 2 things. I've put that on and I've put that on, but that is everyday advice, especially on this bike. But then again, on any bike, 125, 50cc, it doesn't matter what you're riding, if it's got 2 wheels, take that advice. For a sports bike, the stance is aggressive, but not as aggressive as you think. It's got the factory can at the minute, which we are going to get rid of. Not only have I bought my dream bike, but I've also bought this bike for another reason. This is going to be a project bike for the channel. You already know what that means. We're going to do mods, upgrades, performance upgrades, all of that good stuff. But in the meantime, in between time, here she is. I hope you like her. Leave me some comments in the comment section. Peace out, people.